How to connect Epic Games to Steam. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple, and it works the same way across all devices. So just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up any browser you have, and once you do that, navigate to the Epic Games website and log into your account. Now, once you do that, navigate to your profile page. From this page right here, navigate to the Apps and Accounts section. And here on the Accounts tab, you will see Steam right here, and it has an option that says Connect, so click on Connect. Once you do that, you will get this confirmation window like right here. So click on link account. After that, you will be redirected to this Steam page where you will be able to sign in your account and confirming the linking. It's very easy and self-explanatory. So that was it for this video. That's how you can link your Epic Games to Steam. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.